friends, so I went live yesterday for an hour, and while I was talking to you, I figured out that you have a lot of problems even now in making your lower pleats, especially in fabrics like net, chiffon, georgette and cottons. I mean, a lot of you have requested me to do a special video only on how to make your lower pleats in cotton saree. So I've just picked up a cotton saree to show you how you can do, and this technique that I'm showing you can be applied in cotton, net, chiffon, georgette, kanjivarams, in all the saree draping patterns that you're doing, except the box pleats. So let me show you how you can do it. Okay, so this is the saree. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do my basic tuck. So I'm just going to tuck it here. Okay, and I go around. Okay, now you start your tucking. So how do you make? You just do this and you make your pleats. See, my pleats, they just fall, but I understand what if your pleats, they don't fall like this, right? I'll tell you. Now follow me. Like, this is like the easiest way to make pleats, and then I think you all will be able to make it in like no seconds. So now what you have to do, just take this and just make your first pleat. Measure your first pleat. So this is my first pleat. If you can see, can they see fully, Ratika? Yeah, okay. So this is my first pleat. I bend down and I hold this pleat of mine. Okay, only this, right? And I start making my pleats from here. So it's 2, 3, 4, and in cotton sarees, as I always say, you'll not get more than 5 pleats. So just make 5 pleats. I think that's enough, and just align them from here. See, when you're doing drape in this pattern, if you're making your pleats, you will not need anyone else's help to hold your pleats from below and adjust them. See what I'm doing? I'm adjusting all of these, okay, and putting them in between my fingers like this, in between my leg. Look at this. I fixed them and I'm going to hold it tight there. Now this is my first pleat, okay, and you can see my second pleat. Look, my third pleat. Oops. Here. 1 second. Here. Okay. See, you can see my third pleat also. My fourth. My fifth. And that's it. I'm just doing one more to just finish it off. That's it. You just take them and you're going to align them from the top also, like this. Add a pin here, okay, add a pin here, secure it, and right before you're tucking in, just take them out. And look at the pleats. Look. See if you can see this. Look. So I think you can try this. Look at this. I hope you all can see this. See? So just try this pattern. I think this is the easiest way to make your pleats. If you still have any difficulties, and please let me know, because we've got ample time now. So I can just give you these little small videos in where you're having those little difficulties, where you're getting stuck with those one point thing. Maybe you don't know how to pull the saree from here, or you don't know the right place to pin. I mean, just put in your request and I'm definitely going to make a video for you. So keep enjoying my drapes and keep loving me, and please stay safe. I love you all.